We got some in the sun and some in the shade. A little baby right off the side of the road. It's pretty nice weather today. It's about 50 degrees right now, though that will drop, with sunny skies and at least right now at the moment, no wind. Hello, and thanks for joining me for the 14th Wildlife Drive. On the last drive, we had quite a bit of luck, especially down one of the dirt roads, so I definitely want to revisit that little dirt cutoff there, and then hopefully just make it out as far through that paved road as possible, because then at the end, there's some big open fields and meadows that typically deer are in, but it's really hard to make it there in time before the sun sets. We have about an hour and a half before official sunset, so we better get on the road. Since it is warmer weather today, I don't expect to see elk. Typically they like the cooler temperatures to come out into the meadows closer to the road where we'd be able to capture them. So I'm definitely thinking we're mainly going to do deer today, which is typically how it goes anyways.
Seems like yesterday I was 17.
All right, here we are, first deer of the day. They're pretty close, only about 15 yards away.
There's a kind of peace moving every couple of years, packing up and finding a new home. There's a beauty in the anonymity it brings. When my feet get to itching, I just run.
We got some in the sun and some in the shade.
All my friends have stopped inviting me to where they are, figuring I'll just be on the road. It's not that they're wrong.
They're just not wanting to face me though.
We're different, but hey, the plane is boarding, time to go.
Definitely won't make a magazine, but still cool to see.
Oh, call out all you who wander, seeking beyond wherever you've been. Write your life like it's a screenplay.
Okay, here's that dirt road cutoff I was talking about.
Will the words say when it all ends? There are mornings I wake up and don't know where I am. Another city I'll be leaving soon. But in between the planes,
Yeah, it looks like this is the first group of deer that we got last Wildlife Drive.
of all the homes I'm building on the move. We're all told that life's a game of compromise.
I was hoping they'd be closer, but they're kind of far away. They're also kind of standing like statues, so it's not very interesting for video. I'm thinking it's not worth the sunlight to stay here, so we better get rolling.
Now that I have walked the other route. Oh, call out all you who wander, seeking beyond where.
We got a lone doe about 30 yards away. Nah, I don't think it's worth it. Let's continue.
Write your life like it's a screenplay.
In the summer, you can get golden hour for quite a while, but in the winter, man, that sun just drops so fast. It's already starting to slip over the horizon there. Ah, here we go. A little baby right off the side of the road.
I'll look up and say, I don't regret a day.
Okay, so I got out and I set up my tripod. By the time I set up my tripod, she retreated just a little bit back to the mom, which I didn't see before, which was about 20 yards away. The mom stayed there, the baby approached again, and I got these shots here.
Seeking beyond wherever you've been. Write your life.
Then I looked over my left shoulder to the other side of the road and saw this little girl watching me.
What will the words say
Okay, that sun just dipped over the horizon, so we better get moving.
when it all ends.
I'm shocked. We haven't really seen any bucks. Hopefully we can find one before it's too dark here. But even if we don't, that's okay. Does deserve some attention too. Well, it's not a buck, but we got something here. Let's see what I can get with these girls. Yeah, it's getting pretty dark. We might only have time for one more group if we can find them soon. Alright, I think that's a wrap. We didn't see any giant bucks or get magazine cover photos today, but that's okay. I mean, when I'm filming these, I'm filming what actually happens that night, or, in this case, this night. So it's not always going to be amazing every single time, which makes it that much more special when it is amazing. I think the weather had something to do with it, just because it's definitely been colder the past couple drives, and we saw more then. But I'm anxious to see what next drive holds. Thank you so much for making it to this point in the video. It really means the world to me. And if this is something that you like, go check out the others, and please hit the subscribe button. All right, have a good one.